Hello everyone, my name is Neri Ramirez and today I'm going to teach you 3 games or 3 activities to practice the vocabulary with your students. This first activity is called Taboo Word. It is a fun activity to do in your classroom or in your virtual class. Divide the class into 4 groups. Then ask each group to think about one word. This word must be related to the vocabulary lesson that you are teaching. So after each group thought about that word, they don't have to say it to anybody. They just have to keep that word in mind. Then ask the students to think about other 3 words that describe the best the first word that they thought. So the word that they thought, it is the taboo word that the other groups must guess. Let's imagine your lesson is about places, for example, and one of the groups chose the word school. This is their taboo word. So they must think about the other 3 words that describe the best that word. So they would say like learner, teachers, students. After they have already the words, write down the words on the board, the 3 words they said, and give 2 minutes to the other groups to guess the word. And like that. It is a funny activity. The students like to think about which word they are referring to. This activity is so good because they don't only practice the vocabulary teaching that day, if not other vocabulary that they maybe studied before. Here you are more examples about this funny activity, and this could be for beginners or for advanced students. This second activity is about reading. Divide the class into groups. Give a different short story or paragraph to each group. The idea of this game is give each group a different story. This story must have many words related to the topic that they are learning. Give the students 5 minutes to read it and find the words related to the topic they are given. After that, ask the whole class to share with each other the words related to the topic that they found. Try to add different words to each story so they would have a better interchange. Let's imagine they're practicing or they're studying the present tense. So in this reading activity, they must find every single verb related, to the topic that you teach. Like for example, in this story, my dad, they need to underline these words. Like for example, is, likes, go, gives, play, love, etc. And the idea is that you add different words to every story. You can adapt this game into easy or difficult, depends on their level. Then they can change the words they found and maybe explain what the story was about. This third and last activity is called the detective. In this activity, you don't need much, but it's so easy and funny for every student. Bring a poster or photo, or if you don't have it, just look it up on your computer. This photo must have many items about the unit or about the lesson you are teaching them. And then have to find the hidden items related to the vocabulary. Let's imagine you're talking about the restaurant or about the food. That's your topic. So you can show them a picture like this or a poster, and they have to just look at the photo for some minutes, and then have to write on their notebooks the words relating to the vocabulary. Like for example, if you're teaching about food or fruits or vegetables or they can write on their notebooks like cheese, tomatoes, apples, lemon, grapes, and anything that they related to the topic that they see or that they saw on the picture. If the items are hidden or are more hidden, that's gonna be definitely better. Like this, for example, you are studying toys. This is with kids, for example, ask the student to find the toys that are in the classroom. That's gonna be very funny for them, and they would enjoy and practice at the same time. Thanks for watching. See you the next time.